Concentrated solar power, sustainable energy for a sustainable future. Energy enhancement. Started with an anecdote about Archimedes using concentration of sunlight to make burning glass. This technology of concentrating sunlight has been taken forward by many scientists to finally have Professor Giovanni Francia successfully able to build the first ever concentrated solar power plant, CSP plant. Being sustainable is the biggest boon that the world is currently in need of. So, it is essential for everyone to know about CSP plants. So let us understand more about CSP plants through this video. How they actually work, how is it possible to concentrate the solar energy, how many different technologies we have to concentrate the energy and which is the best option, how is the energy being stored. How CSP plants actually work. CSP plants follow a simple phenomenon of converting solar energy into thermal energy, then storing the thermal energy and finally converting it into electricity when required. How the solar energy is being concentrated. CSP plants use mirrors to concentrate sun's energy. This configuration of mirrors is set up in such a way that the sunlight gets focused onto a single receiver. This ensures the high temperature heat generation at the receiver. What are all the different ways to concentrate solar energy? There are three types of different technological approaches towards concentrating solar power. Firstly, parabolic trough systems. Parabolic reflectors or focusing mirrors have oil-filled pipes running along their center or focal point. The mirrors are tilted towards the sun. Sunlight gets focused on the focal line on which the pipes are present. Oil in the pipe gets heated inside to nearly 750 degrees Fahrenheit. How the solar energy is converted and stored as thermal energy. Parabolic trough systems have oil that gets heated up due to light focus. The oil is used to heat water. The steam produced runs the steam turbines and generators. Coming to the very second approach, we have power tower systems. These are called central receivers. Innumerous large flat mirrors are used to capture sunlight and focus onto a single receiver. Now this receiver is placed on top of a tall tower. The receiver contains fluid such as molten salt, which on focus of sunlight gets heated up to nearly 1050 degrees Fahrenheit. How the solar energy is converted and stored as thermal energy. Power tower systems have molten salt. It gets heated up due to focused light. Molten salt has a capacity to retain heat for longer times. This makes it useful even after the sunset. This heat is used to produce steam from water which runs the turbines and generators. Lastly, we have dish engine systems. Very large mirror dishes are used to focus and concentrate sunlight onto a receiver. The receiver is mounted at the focal point of the dish. The receiver is integrated into a high-efficiency external combustion engine. Dish engine systems have an external combustion engine integrated with the receiver. The engine has thin tubes containing hydrogen or helium gas. These tubes run along the outside of the engine's 4 piston cylinders and open into the cylinders. When the light falls, the gas gets heated up and expands. This drives the piston. Piston turns the crankshaft. This drives the electric generator. What are the advantages of CSP plants? It is a resilient source of renewable energy. It is feasible to generate electricity even after the sun sets and when cloudy from the stored thermal energy. Multiple plants can be integrated to form a power grid and serve greater efficiency. It is a one-time investment and all-time power generation unit.